together. When you're multiplying, let's go back. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at... I've lost it. Let's have a look at this one. Where have all the lines gone? There it is. Let's have a look at this one. What am I trying to get you to do? Line up your digits. Piao, piao. What does that mean? What does that mean? Rio?
Line up your digits
or you're dead. I like that. I like that. I'm not going to come round and kill you. So what does that mean then? Line up your digits or you're dead. Give me more.
Like in the units, yeah, you have to show, you have to do the numbers what's in the units and then like tens as well.
Fantastic. I like that. Okay. So you've got to have your units lined up together. You've got to have your tens lined up together and your hundreds. Harris?
It's saying you need to use place value.
Fantastic. I love that maths word.
You need to use place value because when you're adding it all together, then you'll get confused where the units and the tens are.
Fantastic. Perfect. Perfect answer. Round of applause for Harris. Being very, very clever. Okay. I'm going to send you to your tables. I'm going to stay with greens. Okay, let's have a look at what we're doing. There's an example on your table of how to set it out. Now, if you want to do it on whiteboards first, Ryan, you can, okay? I'm not too worried how many you get in your books. If you want to whiteboard first, just to make sure, that is fine. That is fine. Okay, can I have Reds go with Miss Cummins? Off you go, Reds. Okay, have a look what we're doing. Page 64, A1 to 12. And there's a sheet on their tables to show them how to set it out. Lovely. I like the way Reds went. Have I got loveliness on the carpet? Let's have a look. Okay, yellows. If you want to whiteboard first, this bit is 1 digit times 2 digits, okay? So A is like this. A is like this, okay? So I think you should be fine with that. If you want to whiteboard first, that's fine. Yellows, off you go. Your book is open on the right page, but just have a look so you know. Right, greens in a semicircle around me. Miss Mia, if you can float with yellows. Semicircle around me with boards. Okay, can you just be in front of me though, not right on top of me? Yep, because you need to see the boards.
Miss said I might have to do green block.
Okay, stick with green then. Let's try you on greens for today. Right, I'm going to count to 3. Everyone should be sitting and started. So it should be open on their page. Miss Mia, okay, it's A1 to 8. I don't know how far they'll get with that. Right, so Abdu, come and join us. Okay, make sure you can see the boards. Who's this in front of me? Ahmed, you're not going to see the boards. Okay. We're going to do something slightly different. Have a look at the board, and then we'll have a go at doing it, okay? What have I got here in terms of tens of units? What have I got here? What can you see?
We're timesing tens times 10 is like 16, 24 times 16. Because before we were timesing ones and tens, and now we're timesing tens.
Fantastic. Okay. Okay, you've got an example on your tables. It's a little bit noisy. I can't hear green group. Fabulous, thank you. Okay, so we've got tens and units times tens and units. You need to look though, Omar, okay, and then I'll get you to do it on the whiteboard. Have a look, okay, it's very similar, except now we've got lots more numbers. Okay, so I'm still partitioning. What I like to do is put the smaller number on the top. So there's 16. I've separated it into 10 and 6. Are you watching? There it is. Then I've got the 24, separated it into 20 and 4. Okay, so like before, but now I've got, like you said, I've got tens times tens. You just have to remember to do each bit. So let's do this one together, and then we'll do it on your boards, okay? So I've got 10 times 20, and that's going to go here, okay? The trick with ignoring the zeros, just ignore one lot of zeros, otherwise we're going to get confused. So let's keep the 10, because I like 10. Let's do 10 times 2. 10 times 2 is 20, and then put back the 1 0, okay? So there it is, 200. Then I've got 10 times 4, easy peasy, is 40. There it is, okay? Now I've got the 6 times the 20, yeah? So ignore the 0. 6 times 2 is 12. Put back the 0. Then don't forget I've got the 6 times the 4, which is 24, okay? So now I've got it lined up this way Yeah, still lining up your digits. Okay, and you can add it down this way, just like we did before, yeah? So my digits are lined up, and I've added up 240. My digits are lined up 144, but I've still got two separate answers. Fantastic, okay? You have to add them, and here it is at the side, and I've lost my board there, my line there, okay? So let's do it together on a whiteboard. I'll do it, and then we'll have another go. Okay, so let's do, give me a two-digit number times a two-digit number. What should we do?
25
Times,
10 25 times 15
times 15. Okay, so have a look. Don't write anything on your board. 25 times 15. Come a bit nearer because you're a bit far away. 25 times 15. Okay, so you do your grid method just like before. Okay, what number shall I have at the top? The small one or the big one? The small one. I just go for the small one, okay? I'm going to partition the 15 into
10 and 5.
Fantastic. So I've got 10 and 5. Okay. Now you still have to line up your digits. It's hard because I've got the whiteboard. Then I've got the 25. I'm going to partition that into
25.
Okay, so here it is, the 20 and the 5, okay? If you like, you can draw another line to kind of help you out a bit, yeah? Okay, so it looks a bit like that, but that's a lot of lines to be drawn. But we'll see how we go. Okay, 10 times 20, keep the 10. I like the 10, don't take away the 0. 10 times 20, what do I do? 10 times
10 times 2
is 20, and add the 0, okay? Okay, make sure you line up your digits. You with me? What do you want to do next? Do you want to do the 10 times the 5 is 50, and make sure you line up your digits, okay? If I move that, because I'm going to have my answer there. Okay, so can you see I've got my digits lined up? What do I need to do now? So I've done 10 times 20, 10 times 5. I need to do
5 times 20.
5 times 20, okay? Ignore the 2, ignore the 0. 5 times 2 is 10. Don't forget to put back the 0. It's 100. Line up your digits. Then I've got 5 times 5, easy peasy, 25. Okay. What do you do with that now?
You add it all together.
Add it all together. Okay, you probably do this in your head. 200 add 50. Hang on. 200 add 50. 250, yeah. Be careful, because it's not all going to be as easy as this. 100 add 25. 125. Okay, I've run out of space. What do I do with those two bits down there? Add it together. So 250 add 125.
0 adds 5 is 0, and 5 adds 2 is 75.
Okay, horrible calling out. 0 add 5 is... Thank you. 5 add 2 is... Thank you. 2 add 1 is... Thank you. My answer is...
375.
Okay, you've got the example on the board. So let's do on your whiteboards. Give me another two-digit number times a two-digit number. 63 times 16. I like it. Have a go. Right, I'm coming around to see how you're doing. If you do that one, you can have a go at another one, okay? Use what's on the board to help you. Right, how are we doing? Where's my blue pen? Okay. Okay, it's not 39 times 9. Okay, that one's a bit funny. No, it's the 30 and the 9 times 3. So it's not times 9, it's times 3. It's 39 times 3 is the sum, yeah? So it's 30 and 9, that bit's right, times 3. So it's 3 times 30, yeah? Do we get a bit confused because of the way they've set it out? Okay, it's 39 times 3. They've partitioned it for you already. But if you have a look at the sheet, yeah, that shows you how to set it out. Have we all done that? Let's have a look.
Is that wrong then?
Yeah, it's 39, isn't it? Times 3. Yeah, just put a pencil line through that one. Okay. Yeah, no, they've partitioned it for you already.
They were doing examples.
Yeah, no, don't. This is just to show you how to set it out. Right, so can I do it? Let's have a look. If I do it in pencil, it's 39 times 3. So I'm timesing by 3, and then I partition the 30 and the 9. Okay? So have a go. Shh, bit noisy, carpet group. We're doing it by ourselves. Okay. How's everybody else? Okay, we're all, it's 39. If you write out the sum first, 39 times 3. So, times 3, 30 and 9. Yeah? It's like this. Are you okay over here? Yeah, excellent. Okay. Brilliant.
Is it going to be 11?
Yeah. So you put 1 there and 1 there. Excellent. Albinot, well done. Okay, coming back to greens. Let's have a look. Fabulous. Right, I'm going to have to do it with you because my brain's not as quick as yours. Right, what was the sum?
63 times 16.
Okay. Right, I need to do smaller. So check on your board, have you got a little X in the corner?
Yeah.
So we know we're multiplying. Which number have you partitioned at the top?
16.
16. So it's the smaller number. What have you got down the side, Jaren?
16.
Is your name Jaren? Down the side, Jaren? 60 and 3. Lovely. Check on your board you've got that. Little tick if you have. Lovely. Doing exactly what teacher asked. Fantastic. Then what did you do? What did you do then? Omar, what did you do?
I've done 10 times 16.
Yeah.
600.
Fantastic, because 10 times 6 is 60, but don't forget the 0, 600. Lovely. Okay. It's much easier in your books with the squares. What did you do next, Abdu?
I done 10 times 60 is 600.
Got that bit?
And then
Just watching, Jay. You okay there? Yeah.
and then 6 times 3 is 30.
Okay, hang on. I'm on the 10s. I've done 10 times 60. Now can you do 10 times is...
30.
Lovely, got you. Okay, I'm up to there. Everyone got that?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Let's have a look.
Should we tip it?
10 times 60, yeah, and you've got the 30, lovely. Make sure we line up those digits. Yeah, that's fine. Fine so far. Then we've got...
630. I mean 6 times 60.
Yeah, let's do that bit first. Okay. I don't like 6 times 60, so I do... Yeah. Fantastic. Excellent. Tick it if you've got that. And what do you do next, Harris?
6 times 3 is 18.
Lovely. Make sure you line up those digits.
And then you add the 630 is 600, 600 add 30 is 630.
Lovely.
120 add 18 is 138.
Hang on. 360. Okay. This one here was 6 times 60, this bit. So check that bit again. It's that times that, and it's that times that, which goes there. Okay?
It's 1008.
It's a bit tricky, this one. So what was it? 378. I've run out of room on my board. Is there a spare one?